Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. It was at this moment he knew he messed up. With it being the holidays, I really feel like everyone should try this prank on people.
Oh, man.
People work way too hard for other people to just keep stealing stuff. Yep, no better for you. Stop stealing.
No.
Oh, man. Come on, hurry up. Got it.
Stop putting your hands on things that don't belong to you.
Oh.
Now look at you. Now you have to suffer the consequences. Don't be shocked now.
Seriously?
Go, bro. Hurry.
I got it. Easy money.
Hey, we chilling. Come on.
Load it up, man.
Pop.
Whoa!
Ah!
Bro, no.
My seat.
Man, what? Oh, come on. Look at the dash, bro. It's everywhere.
That's paint. That's straight
I'm
paint.
drenched, man.
No manches. Ay, mi ropa, no manches. Come on, hurry up. Grab it.
Run. Take it and run. What the? My car is everywhere. Look at the car.
We're on camera, man. Hurry up and take it.
Go.
I'm going.
Come on.
Car's open.
Got it. Whoa.
Oh, what the? Censored. Whoa, what the? Oh, it blew up. Ow.
Get up.
Let's go. I'm trying slippery as.
Car.
Move. Go.
Oh my God. What the paint? Get in the car.
Go.
Clear? Yeah, nobody.
Grab it quick.
2, 3.
Whoa. Yo. Ah. What the? Ah, damn.
My eyes. It's in my eyes.
I'm soaked, man. It's everywhere.
Son of
Look at us, bro. We blue Smurfs out here.
Oh my God. What the? No.
It's the motherfucking deal double G.
Oh, jeez, crap, my face. Oh no, damn it. Oh, look at that.
Now that the holidays are getting closer and people are ordering gifts, I really feel like you all should think about getting these prank gifts, prank boxes, making them yourself, DIY at home, but doing something so people can stop stealing your gifts. Let me know in the comments if you all would like to see a video on how to make these at home yourself.